unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Start by removing all items and washing refrigerator shelves and drawers with warm, soapy water. Next, wipe surfaces with a safe solution of 1 tablespoon of bleach mixed in 1 gallon of water. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse with clean water. Dry everything thoroughly to prevent mold and bacteria. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage surfaces or leave harmful residue.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.